Hello friends. In this video, I want to teach you how to register on the Gate.io exchange. You enter the exchanges section, select Gate.io, and click Go to Website. You enter the website. To register, click on Sign Up. In this section, you enter your email address. If you have a referral code, enter it here. You confirm the website's terms by ticking the box and click on Sign Up. And if you wish, you can link and register your account through Apple, Google, Telegram, or MetaMask. A code will be sent to you to verify your email. You log in to your email, select Gate.io, copy the code provided, and enter it in this section. In the next step, you set a password for your account. I recommend using uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and keep in mind that you must use at least 8 characters. After entering your password, click on Confirm. You will be logged into your account. Account has been created. Good luck.